On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you with your follow-up emails. So today's video is going to pair with one of the videos that I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and I'm going to leave the images here on the screen for you to know which videos I'm talking about. So let's get started. Wonderful. So first step is you open your ChatGPT account, and the first thing that I'm going to ask ChatGPT is type the steps in a real estate transaction. Let's see what it says about it. Perfect. So once ChatGPT is done, you can, if you don't like what it says, you can regenerate response. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is not always 100% accurate, and you can always update, change a little bit. I'm going to skip the first one. So let's go to pre-approval for financing. So basically the idea of today's video is I want to create, or I want to use these steps to create different email templates. Once you watch the videos that I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to leave in the description box below. You don't need to watch both. You can either watch the one for Outlook or the one for Gmail. Whatever you use, that's what you're going to watch. So both will show you how you can create email templates that you can use over and over again. And the only thing that you need to do basically is personalize before you send to the buyers. So pre-approval for financing. So what I want to do is, before we jump to number 3, I want ChatGPT to develop number 2. So I'm going to type in here. Now, from here, you can say, well, Susanna, I really don't like to talk about it because that's something that I want the lender to do, so I don't feel comfortable providing any information. So what you can do is really, you can show to a lender and ask if what it says or what you typed is correct. So basically what you're doing here is providing an idea for the buyer to understand the steps that they need to take. So once you are happy with this, you are going to your email and you're going to create a template. And like I said, the only thing that you need to do is really personalize before you send to the buyer. So the next step is number 3, finding a property. So once you know, and probably the lender will let you know, that the buyer has received the pre-approval and all of that, you can, in this case, ask ChatGPT to develop number 3. And what you're going to basically add to this email template is, congratulations, you have received your pre-approval. Now the next step is finding the property, and here's what you can expect. So once you ask ChatGPT, develop number 3 above. Perfect. Probably the first one does not apply in here because this person is already working with you, or these people are already working with you, but you can add something else if you have anything in mind, and you can update a little bit the information below. For example, here, once you have identified one or more properties that you are interested in, your real estate agent, well, in this case, you can change and you can type, I will help schedule the showing. So of course, you are going to change a little bit to sound like it's you typing the email and send to the buyers. So again, once you are happy with what it says in here, you go to your Outlook or Gmail and create the template. So again, when you are ready to send this to your clients, you just need to personalize a little bit, hi or hello, so and so, and go from there. So basically, you are creating templates almost like ready to go, just to save you some time, and you don't need to be thinking what to say, not to say, every single time that you need to send an email with a follow-up or let them know what the next step is. I really hope that this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you can, please like this video because it helps me grow my channel. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.